students, this is sixth question of practice set 3.5. If polynomial y cube minus 5y square plus 7y plus m, this polynomial is divided by y plus 2, the remainder is 50. The remainder is 50. The remainder is 50. That means in this question, the remainder is given. Remainder is given matlab if I put the value of y as, this is plus 2 now, if I put the value of y as minus 2 in this equation, I will get the answer as 50. Once again, remainder is 50 matlab if I put the value of y as minus 2 in this question, I will get the answer 50. If I put the value of y as minus 2 in the question, I will get the value 50. If I put the value of y, that is, I will write remainder is equal to 50. Therefore, by remainder theorem, polynomial minus 2, y के जगह minus 2, so answer will be 50. Answer will be 50. So I will write polynomial y is equal to y cube minus 5y square plus 7y plus m. So I will write, instead of y, I will write minus 2 is equal to minus 2 cube minus 5 into minus 2 square plus 7 into minus 2 plus m. So instead of writing polynomial minus 2, can I write 50? Yes, I can write 50. I will write 50 is equal to minus 2 cube is minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, matlab minus 8 minus 5 into minus 2 square is plus 4, 2 2 is 4, minus into minus is plus, 7 2 is 14, minus 14. So m, barabar. So take all the terms this side. Minus 8 will come here, it will become plus 8. 5 4 is 20, minus 20 will come here, it will become plus 20. Minus 14 will come here, it will become plus 14 is equal to m. Therefore, m is equal to 50 plus 8, 58 plus 20, 78 plus 14 is 92. So the value of m is 92. Hope this is clear. Next question says that decide whether x plus 3 is a factor of x square plus 3x minus, x square plus 2x minus 3. X plus 3 is a factor. We have to decide. To be a factor, x plus 3 इसका फैक्टर है, ये कब होगा? When I will take the value of x equal to minus 3, I will put this value in this question and I will get the remainder 0. If the remainder is 0, then I can say that this number is a factor of this number. अरे समझ में आ रहा है ना? क्लियर है क्या? For example, suppose ये है 17 और ये है 51. हमें बोला है कि 17 51 का फैक्टर है क्या? तो हमें डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. 51 17 3 is 51. Remainder is 0. If remainder is 0, then I can say that 17 is a factor of 51. अरे समझ में आ रहा है क्या? कौन सा नंबर किसका फैक्टर है, कैसे पता चलता है? डिवाइड करो, रिमाइंडर 0 आ गया, फैक्टर है. रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं आया, इट्स नॉट अ फैक्टर. सिंपल, इजी है ना? दैट मींस x plus 3 इसका फैक्टर है डिसाइड करने के लिए. We need not divide. Actually, we can divide also. We can use normal division method. We can use the factor method. Simple division method. We can use the linear division method. But we are not going to divide because we are having one more method, that is, or one more theorem, that is called as a factor theorem. Therefore, by factor theorem, if polynomial minus 3 is equal to 0, then x plus 3 will be a factor of x square plus 2x minus 3. अरे बराबर क्या? फैक्टर थ्योरम बोलती है कि अगर x का वैल्यू -3 लिया जाए और रिमाइंडर 0 आ जाए तो ये फैक्टर हो जाएगा. तो लेट अस चेक. चलो polynomial minus 3 is minus 3 square plus 2 into minus 3 minus 3. Minus 3 square is 9, 2 3s is 6 minus 3. So polynomial minus 3 is 0. Yes, therefore by factor theorem, x plus 3 is a factor of x square plus 2x minus 3. Hope this is clear. Question number 8 says that x minus 2 is a factor, 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 remainder will be 0. Remainder will be 0. Remainder will be 0. If x minus 2 is a factor, remainder will be 0. If x minus 2 is a factor, remainder will be 0. Therefore, by factor theorem, if x minus 2 is a factor of x cube minus mx square plus 10x minus 20, therefore polynomial minus 2 है ना, साइन will be plus 2 will be equal to 0. इसका वैल्यू अगर हम लोग 2 इसमें डालेंगे तो रिमाइंडर क्या आएगा 0. तो रिमाइंडर क्या आएगा 0. चलो polynomial 2 लिखो अभी. x क्यूब मतलब 2 क्यूब माइनस m x स्क्वायर मतलब 2 स्क्वायर, 10 x की जगह पे 2 माइनस 20. क्या किया मैंने? I have written 2 instead of writing x. I have written 2 instead of writing x. मैंने x के जगह पे 2 लिखा है. So इसके जगह पे 0 because the remainder will be 0. 2 cube will be 8 minus 4m plus 20 minus 20. So minus 4m it comes here becomes plus 4m is equal to 8. Therefore m is equal to 8 upon 4. 4 1 जा 4 2 जा, m is equal to 2. Is it clear? Easy है. The last question of today's video is polynomial x is given and q of x is given. P of x is given and q of x is given. We are supposed to show that q of x is a factor of p of x. मतलब x minus 1 इसका फैक्टर है क्या? फैक्टर होने के लिए मैंने सिखाया था, अभी सिखाया गरम गरम. फैक्टर होने के लिए रिमाइंडर 0, फैक्टर होने के लिए रिमाइंडर 0, फैक्टर होने के लिए रिमाइंडर 0. सो लेट्स चेक वेदर रिमाइंडर 0 आता है. चलो x minus 1 है ना, therefore x is equal to 1. So polynomial x is given as x cube minus x square minus x minus 1. Instead of writing x, I will write 1. So 1 cube minus 1 square minus x minus minus 1 minus 1. That is polynomial 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. So polynomial 1 will be equal to 1 minus 1 0. Minus 1 is minus 2. Is it equal to 0? No. Polynomial 1 is not equal to 0. Therefore polynomial 1 is not equal to 0. Therefore by factor theorem x minus 1 is not a factor of the whole term of x cube minus x square minus x minus 1. Hope this is clear. First sum is clear. Similarly second one, x minus 3 है ना, so I will take x minus 3 है, therefore I will take the value of x as 3. So polynomial x is given to us 2 into x cube minus x square minus 45. क्या करना है x की जगह पे अभी 3. So 2 into 3 cube minus 3 square minus 45. So I will get polynomial 3 is equal to 2 into 3 cube. 3 cube is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27 2s is 54. minus 9 minus 45. So polynomial 3 is equal to 0. बराबर equal to 0. Therefore by factor theorem x minus 3 is a factor of 2x cube minus x square minus 45. Hope this is clear.